Hi, it's Amanda again. Hi, it's Amanda again, and thank you all for joining me on my channel. I know it's been a while, but since it's quarantine time, I thought to share with you about some tips on how to give yourself a proper manicure and help the longevity of your nails stay on longer. Because ladies, I know that at these hard times, some of us are suffering of having nails that are not looking like how we want them. And since I need to do my nails, I'll be glad to share with you my techniques. Let's go ahead and start, and I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a manicure while you guys join in with me. So let's go ahead and start. So all you need is a small towel just in case you make a mess and need to wipe something, and then nail clippers, nail polish remover, cotton pads, a nail file around 100 grit, a buffing block, cuticle pusher, cuticle remover, a nipper to remove the dead skin tags, a nail brush, Bond Aid pH balancer, and if you have regular nail polish, you're going to need a base coat, colored nail polish, and a top coat. And the products I'm using right now is the C&D Vinyl Lux, a two-step process. So with this one, you don't need a base coat.
Ryan Little.
Alright, so now that we're done, we're going to use soap and water and brush each nail individually with soap and water because we want to remove all the dead skin and all the chemicals that was used to remove the cuticles. And it's just like when you exfoliate your face, you want everything smoothed out and prepared. So this is great to keep nail polish down longer. Alright, so next, we're going to go ahead and use the nipper to gently remove the dead skin tags. You don't want to remove the living skin because that could cause an infection and also make the cuticles worse. So I just wanted to make sure to warn you, just be cautious. Okay, so this is a very important part because I feel like without this, my nail polish won't stay on as long. And what this does is balance the pH level of your nails. So this is great if you have naturally oily nails. And I just love and can't live without this stuff. This helps keep the nail polish stay on longer. Next step is usually using a base coat, but with this brand, which is my favorite, is the C&D Vinyl Lux. And what the company says is all you need to do is use the color and the top coat. Be sure to roll it, don't shake it because you don't want any bubbles on your nails. It doesn't look really pretty. I'm actually going to finally paint my room, which is so yellow. Whoever lived in this home, they had weird taste because originally this wall was green and then, I'm sorry, really bright red. Now, I didn't have that much time when I was painting this room, but I only did this wall because it was super bright red, and red for some reason makes me so, ugh. Got rid of that, and I did get to finish the rest of the room. So hopefully, yellow paint goes away because it's hideous. It reminds me of McDonald's when I first moved here, yellow and red. And with this nail polish, if you do decide to use a base coat with it, I felt like it doesn't work as good. And as the company says, just use the color and the top coat. So if you do try a base coat with it, you're just going to waste product. I mean, that's just me personally, but I'm doing 2 coats of the color this time, and then I just did 1 coat of the top coat. But if you want extra protection, go ahead and apply a 2nd coat of the top coat. Just make sure it's not too thick.
Now that we're all done, of course, we're going to use the cuticle oil or lotion. This is going to protect the cuticle and the nail against damage and improve the health and appearance of the cuticles.
All right. I hope you all are happy with your results of doing your own nails. I'm pretty happy with mine, and I'm always a big fan of the sheer pinks and sheer nudes. And for me personally, it is my favorite because it's a lot easier to do your own nails if you make a mistake, since they're sheer and nude colors. And usually your natural oils of your skin will remove any extra residue if you miss anything. It's just a lot easier than doing the dark polishes that contrast the skin. Hope you like it. But anyways, if you guys would like to see some more videos about anything, do go ahead and leave a comment of what interests you, and I'll see what I can do to help you guys out. If you do like this video, go ahead and put a like. And also, if you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and put the subscribe button. I hope you guys all have a great day and take care now. Bye-bye.